How do you feel today?
I feel good.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, every morning.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, 7 hours every night.
Have you ever been sick?
Yes, last month.
Do you take vitamins?
No, just sometimes.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat vegetables and exercise.
Do you go to the doctor often?
Only when necessary.
Have you ever broken a bone?
No, never.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours.
Do you drink enough water?
I try to drink 2 liters a day.
Do you have regular checkups?
Yes, once a year.
Have you ever been to the hospital?
Yes, for a checkup.
Do you feel stressed often?
Sometimes, when I have exams.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music.
Do you meditate?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Do you eat fast food?
Rarely.
Do you take care of your mental health?
Yes, I talk to friends and relax.